All right. This morning, Jan, who is wonderfully good at this right now, is getting ready to hide medicine in the meat so Oreo will take it. Now, Oreo is our dog, and you have to trick her so she'll take her medicine. So Jan will use anything she can in her arsenal to fake the dog out. And meanwhile, we do have a Xbox versus PS2 argument in the background. This will go on for the next hour. All right, she's laying out all the medicine.
One thing about the brownies. Brownies is not that Oreo's medicine.
Yeah, the brownies are not Oreo's medicine, but it could be a last resort if Oreo figures out the medicine is in the meat. And I'm hoping Oreo hasn't learned English yet.
This is a turkey breast.
No, that's ham.
Ham? Oh yeah, sorry, ham. Yeah, ham. Just a
See,
small-
Jen has a way of trying to trick not just the dog, but she's trying to trick us also. Oh, look it. She tricked herself. Did she take Oreo's medicine? I'm not sure.
So this one we will put together. So this way Oreo can eat it.
All right. Good luck with that Oreo. It's smothered in a medicine gravy.
Come on, let's show you.
All right, let's check it out. Oreo.
So that for that is ham from yesterday.
Num 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 num.
Mmm.
Okay. You probably should have mixed it better, honey. Now she's going to leave the meat on the blanket.
No, she actually she will finish it.
Num num num. Yep.
I think I need to cut a small piece. She will eat it until.
Okay. I would have mixed it, but
Oh, you're gonna put.
she's going to get it. I guess slowly but surely her hunger.
Look at that, almost done.
Yeah, so it's kind of like the ham is great. The gravy is not so great.
I think it's the great that the medicine is not so because why she feel weird when the way she eat with
Okay,
medicine.
she's almost done. Why don't you prepare the next piece of medicine?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's.
I'll give it 10 minutes so this
Yeah, she likes the salami, so.
salami.
Okay, the next one is salami. Salami, bologna, salami, bologna. That's crazy.
So you're gonna put in here.
All right. Oh,
wrap
2
around.
capsules with a wraparound.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Are you ready for the next piece of meat? This is like Texas de Brazil Oreo. Yum, 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 yum. That's a good girl. What a good girl.
Sure.
Excellent. That worked. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Let's see. What do we got next?
That's 2 capsule for what you call this blue capsule. I eat all of these. This is called canine.
And that's 2 per day, twice a day, or 2 per day, once a day?
Clindamycin is kind of like antibiotic. Is twice a day.
Yeah, but is it twice a day, 2 at the same time?
Yeah, 2 capsules twice a
Okay.
day.
Oh, look at the sneaky woman. She does it again.
Oreo.
Dario, one more piece of meat? It's a joyous treat.
I think I need to cut into half.
Mmm. Go ahead, eat it. The trick is holding that head up.
Oh, you feel better.
Yay! What a good girl. Here's one more.
One more.
One more. Hold up.
I saw that medicine. You tried to throw up. Huh? It. I saw that in her mouth. She tried to throw out that capsule.
Okay, I think she's got it.
You see? It's still there.
Ah! You're gonna have to do another piece of math. Oh, she's so smart.
Yeah.
Oreo, you gotta eat that. You gotta eat it. Whole piece. Of course, you pick one with a hole in it. Okay, one more.
One more lang.
One more. Come on. Ah. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's Daddy's good girl. That's Daddy's good girl. Yay!
Water.
What a good girl.
Water time. Water time.
You want some water?
Water.
All right. What a good job you did. Jen, take a bow. You have gotten her medicine again. Take a bow.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.